How to change shipping address on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple tutorial on how to change or add new shipping address on your Amazon account. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Amazon account, then on the top click on account. Then guys, you need to scroll down to your addresses section, then click on addresses. As you see guys, this is the address section. Then if you want to add a new address, just click on the plus icon, then you can add your new address on your Amazon account. After adding your address, just click on add address on your account. Then if you want to remove this address, just go back and click on the right side and remove the address again. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.